For sale. An incredible detached Victorian manor house. Located in Hartlepool, England. It offers 7 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Westlands Manor is a rare 7-bedroom Victorian residence, built in 1900, and set within about 2 acres of well-kept grounds. Hidden behind a discreet entrance, this detached home spans 4 floors and has been with the same family for over 50 years. The grand entrance hall with oak panelling and sweeping staircase sets the tone for spacious reception rooms rich in period detail. Highlights include a bay-fronted living room with a 1920s bespoke bar, a formal dining room with ornate ceilings, and a large kitchen overlooking landscaped gardens. Upstairs offers generous bedrooms and flexible accommodation, while the extensive grounds feature sweeping lawns, mature trees, and a terrace with elevated views. The asking price of this detached Victorian manor house is £1,500,000. This secluded and historic home is one of Hartlepool's hidden treasures and a rare opportunity in a sought-after location. Thank you for watching.